Hey everybody, M16 is here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're making the Minecraft Earth Muddy Pig. It was part of the trailer for it, and it's actually really cute. It's one of the most well-known mobs in Minecraft Earth. For materials, you'll need some glue and toothpicks to kind of spread glue around, and either an X-Acto knife or scissors. Up to you. I prefer X-Acto knife. Just do whatever you want. You need to cut out some paper. Okay, part 1, cutting. To cut out the model, just go around all the edges of it and don't forget all of those kind of red outlines. This model is not hard at all to cut out, and if you don't want to, you can get rid of the dirt and not use it at all. I don't really like how it looks, so I'm not going to be using it, but just cut around all the edges. This is a really easy model, so just kind of follow along here with what I'm doing there. And basically, you'll know when you're done. I mean, you got all the pieces cut out. To fold the model, which is part 2, I'm going to show you how to do one of each kind of similar piece. So for example, the body, head, and legs are all extremely similar. So I'll just show you how to do the body and you can figure it out for the rest of them. And then I'll show you how to do the flower and I guess the dirt for the flower. um, just fold around all the edges. This model also provides dotted lines to where you fold, so it's also really helpful there. And just fold the white tabs as well. So, I mean, that's about it. It's pretty easy. Okay, now we move on to part 3, gluing. So, same thing with folding. I'll show you how to do one of each piece on this one of each of the other pieces as before. So I'm just putting glue on the white tabs and then kind of folding them over and folding the other side over to hold the glue a little bit better and to make it dry a little bit better as well. You can do that if you want or just not, it doesn't really matter. So for the body, legs, and head, all the same. Just kind of follow along what I'm doing with the body. For the rest of them, you don't glue anything to the dirt unless you want to later. And for the dirt under the flower and the nose, they're the same piece. So I'll just show you how to do one of those. And the flower, you just put glue on each side and just fold them together. And we move on to part 4 assembly, the final part. This has been a pretty easy model, and I hope you agree with that. So for both the body and the head and all the legs, you can see they both have the same kind of character, or if you're English, B, they have the letter B on them, so just glue together them where the symbols are kind of the same, or the letters are the same. Match up the line of the mud on the head to the line of mud on the bottom of the body. It's a good marker there because the pig in Minecraft's head is not like completely flush with the body. It's a little bit raised and elevated. Otherwise, it'd look kind of weird. If you want to, there's like a different kind of variation that I found with this model. You can forget the legs entirely and just kind of put the body on the mud so it looks like the pig's in the mud, but I don't like that, so I'm just putting the legs on. Same thing with the head and body. There's different letters slash characters there. Just glue them where you see fit, and that's about it. Just follow along with what I'm doing. Also, just a quick note here for the flower. So I'm cutting out the little, I guess, flower dirt box that goes under it. You don't actually have to do this step. You can just kind of glue the green tab onto that, but I don't like how that looks. If you look at the 1 pixel on the, I'm just gonna call it on the dirt, you can also cut on the other side of that pixel to make the flower more in the center of the dirt. It's completely up to you though. The easier version of this is to just, like I said before, take the green tab and just put that on the dirt anyway. So just a little heads up there. So yeah, here is the completed product, the Money Pig. It's a very simple model, but I think the effect is great, especially with that cute little flower. So go show some love to Fluffy Misty, he's who made the design, and if you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye for now, everyone.